Кажусь. Woo! Right there, right there. Two, Nice. Two of them.
You guys can see farther ahead, about our 10 o'clock or so ways out there, there's a lot of bird work. A bunch of white birds circling and coming to the surface. And it's the same direction that these whales are heading. So, again, I can never guarantee if that's where they're going, but it
Oh, right there, right there, right there.
wheels up and continuing to move towards that bird work.
Yeah, they're going towards.
Most recently did appear to be a smaller whale, a younger whale. These humpbacks have been spending their winter down in Central America, in Costa Rica, Mexico, Nicaragua, Guatemala, and that's where they go to have babies and make more babies. So when the whales come back up to Monterey, many of them are mothers with their new young humpbacks. Now, when I say, young humpbacks, these are still massive animals. Probably, when they would still be pretty small. I don't particularly think this is just a couple-month-old humpback that we're looking at here, but could be the reason that we're seeing one of these humpbacks spending significantly longer underwater. When we first saw this humpback feeding, come up out of the water, do a vertical lunge feed. Oh, hold on, guys. So before you go over to switch the other side of the boat, turn in the boat. Switch the people, turn the boat. Oh, it's a different pair. All right. Checked in with our captain there. So we got a different pair of humpbacks. Farther out there off our other side of the boat. Beautiful thing about Monterey, no matter where you go, some whale's gonna pop up.